Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best aquarium sand that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Caribsea Ocean Direct Original Caribbean Marine Sand. The fluorite black sand is a user-friendly sand type that adds a lot of value to your aquarium. The best engineers in the world formulate this American-produced sand. Thus, it goes a long way to maintain the health and state of every aquarium in which it is used. Furthermore, it is regarded as very useful when used because of the presence of gravel modifiers which don't alter the pH of your water. Thus, your animals are kept safe and free from harm. The fluorite sand is also well suited to grow planted aquaria and is suitable for the overall life of your aquarium as it doesn't need to be replaced from time to time. Moving on at number 4, we have the Nature's Ocean Aqua Terra Black Sand. If you're looking for a natural, dark sand, then look no further. This natural sand is completely non-toxic and will help you to maintain the natural pH of your aquarium. Perfect for burrowers who like a light sand in which to play, this option is naturally dark, so will fit those whose aquariums also have a modern decor. Because all we know your fish will appreciate this. Being so light, it can be a little difficult to rinse, and it may float when you first use this option. However, after 24 hours, you'll soon notice that your fish tank sand will look great and feel good for your tank residents. At number 3, we have the Up Aqua Aquarium Sand. Take a chance and have no regrets with the Up Aqua Shrimp Sand. Everyone knows the importance of quality and organic sand in an aquarium, which is why this type is always high in demand. The sand comes with uniform grain sizes to prevent clogging and blocking of pipes, and the Up Aqua fish tank sand does a fantastic job in all water, be it freshwater or saltwater. Additionally, it is formulated especially for all shrimp keepers, and this means it has all the necessary bacteria and elements that will encourage healthy growth for as long as possible. What's more, the sand contains high concentrations of trace minerals, with low plant nutrient levels to prevent overprovision. At number 2, we have the Caribsea X 00220 African Cichlid Mix for Aquarium. For those seeking the ultimate natural sand, this cichlid sand from Caribsea is a great choice for all your needs. Highly porous and maintaining natural, live bacteria, this sand not only looks great but also helps to maintain the overall health of your fish tank. As such, it won't need rinsing before its first use, which makes changing the sand over much easier. Another great choice for burrowers, but be aware that this sand is so light that it can easily be sucked into filters. We would recommend leaving the sand within the tank for a few hours before turning your filters on again, if possible, to help keep them clear and safe. And finally at number 1, we have the Stoney River White Aquarium Sand. We love the Stoney River brand, which is why we decide to end this article with their best aquarium sand. Out of all the options mentioned, this tops the charts because of its affordability and high value. It features a non-toxic coating and doesn't affect the pH of your water and is well suited for saltwater and freshwater aquariums. We know it is also well suited for your aquarium too. Enjoy all the benefits that come with using the best aquarium sand from Stoney Pebbles and watch your plants and fish thrive. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon